Good afternoon and welcome to the beautiful coastal city of Mandurah, located here in amazing Western Australia. Mandurah is often referred to as the lifestyle capital of West Australia. It has actually recently took out a top tourism gong as best tourism town in the whole of West Australia. Mandurah, however, technically speaking, is West Australia's second largest city. It's got a population of over 90,000 people. It's located approximately 72 kilometres south of Perth, located along the Mandurah estuary, which is basically an outlet for the Peel and Harvey estuaries. There is an age-old debate whether Mandurah is actually a part of the Perth metropolitan area. Technically speaking, it's not. That ends around Singleton, which is about 5 kilometres north of Mandurah. But especially since the continuation, the extension of the Kuala freeway, and also the construction of the Mandurah train line in the late 2000s, often people, for all intents and purposes, group Mandurah as a part of the wider Perth continuous urban area. The city of Bunbury, about 108 kilometres south of Mandurah, is often incorrectly, although sometimes you can understand why, as the second largest city in West Australia. It's got a population around 75,000 people. Also got a walking tour of that one coming up as well, so be sure to check out that. But yeah, Mandurah was founded in 1831. Started off as sort of a pretty sleepy settlement, but yeah, these days it's a very famous place where people want to sort of retire and move down here for the lifestyle. There's lots of really nice canals, and if you've got boating and fishing and all that sort of stuff, it's really good lifestyle down here. Anyway, today we're going to go for a bit of a walk around the central area of Mandurah. It's just after Christmas Day, so the Christmas lights trail is still all set up. So yeah, it's really nice walk along all the waterside here in Mandurah. So what better time now just to sit back, relax and enjoy this beautiful sunny Boxing Day here in Mandurah, West Australia, as we lap up all the sights of the beautiful Mandurah foreshore and the main street in Mandurah. Thanks very much for watching today's walking tour as we're taking a lovely little stroll here throughout the streets of Mandurah on a very sunny, beautiful Boxing Day here in West Australia. Really hope you've enjoyed it. Really hope it's given you a bit of appreciation, especially as to what the Mandurah foreshore area is and the main strip in Mandurah. And yeah, maybe even one day you might want to sort of retire down here. Gives you a bit of a glimpse as what the lifestyle could be like. Anyway, really hope you've enjoyed today's walking tour. If you have, really appreciate it. Do give it a like. Leave your comments in the below what you think you might like about Mandurah. And yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to obviously subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss the next walking tour. Got a Bunbury walking tour coming up as well, so that should be really good. But yeah, don't forget to visit my website AussieJetSetter.com.au for the latest flight reviews, industry news, destination, frequent flyer hacks and more. Also, I'll put a link to my Discord and Instagram socials in the description below. But until the next walking tour, thanks very much for watching today. Wherever you find me on the AussieJetSetter YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content. And yeah, until the next one, thanks very much for watching and safe travels wherever that might take you.